Hi everyone, it's Megkline with Wishes Family Travel. I am at the Hard Rock Hotel in 1123 here at Universal Orlando Resort. I'm in a standard view room with 2 queen beds. Once you walk in, you can see the closet. Lots of storage, hangers, the safe is there. Then we have your little coffee bar area. The mini fridge is down here. And then if you turn, you have your bathroom area. So we have the sink and the vanity, and then we have a separate room for the shower. And then we have 2 queen beds here. This is a connecting room, so if you were staying with family, you'd be able to, have family on the other side. This door would open and you'd be able to share a space. There is some great storage here. Lots of wonderful space. We have our TV. I love that Universal's taking the proper safety precautions, keeping everything clean and safe. Over here, we have a little desk area. So if you have to do some work, if your kids are virtual schooling, but you want to take them on vacation, you can set up right there. You have a cute little sitting area here. And then we have beautiful beds right here. You have some sanitizer, water, charging systems over here. You can plug in a USB. I love the little lamp over here for reading. And then I will show you the view real quick. So you can see over there, obviously, is the driving area to and from Universal. So you would see cars over there behind the trees, but it's beautiful, beautiful palm trees. I feel like I'm in Vegas. And the coolest part about the room, this wonderful thing here that shows you how tall you are, matches you up with a celebrity. So I'm 5'3", I match up with Debbie Harry, Cyndi Lauper, and Kelly Clarkson. So that's pretty cool. All right, everybody, follow me along at megkline at wishesfamilytravel.com. I would love to work with you and your family on the perfect vacation for you. Bye now.